Hi, I'm Bodie and today we're going to build a box out of walnut and spalted pecan. So let's get started. So what I'm going to attempt to do in my box is to make a continuous grain wraparound. I'm going to have the three sides out of the pecan and the other three sides are out of walnut, so it'll be a half and half box. So what we're going to attempt to do is cut box joints on here to join these pieces. So I've laid out these pieces. This is left side, this is the back, and that's going to be the right side. And then this here is the front. So it's going to go like this. There you go. And the bottom will be out of walnut, and I'm going to do a special drawer feature on the top, so we'll come back in and do that last. So this is my box joint jig. I use it to cut the 1/2-inch slots on each of the sides, and you flip it around and do the reverse matching side. So here is the action in real-time motion rather than fast speed. So each one of these fingers or slots is a 1/2-inch wide, and I have a 1/2-inch top bearing bit in the router. I just slide it along and slide it over to be able to cut each of the grooves for each of the slots for each of the fingers. You have a finger that's long on one side and short on the other, so you can flip around the box and cut on the other side for the matching piece. See, it slipped. I got chip out. I'm not liking that. I was fortunate enough the chip out was going to be the inside face of the fingers, so it wasn't going to show. So onward I went. So after setting the depth of my router to be just a hair longer than the width of the board plus the length of the fingers, I went on to cutting into the next side. So after talking to a couple of my woodworking buddies, I learned that a smaller router bit and a faster speed would be able to cut a nice cleaner cut with less chip out. Well, I'll have to look for a 1/4 inch or a 5/16 inch router bit for the next time I use this box joint jig. So after cutting the first joint, first two sides, I did a dry fit to see how they go together. And what do you know, they look pretty good. Hey, cut them too thick, didn't I? Since all the sides are cut the same way, I'm not going to show you a repeated cut, just the assembled dry fit box. We used little magnets to attach the top, and finally, here it is. If you enjoyed our walnut and pecan box build, give me a thumbs up. Want to see more of my construction projects? Hey, consider subscribing down below. And as usual, come back and see me real soon.